Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send voice messages in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to send the voice messages. At the bottom right of the chat interface, you can see the microphone button right here, right next to emoji. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. Do note that you need to provide permissions in order to send voice messages. Simply click on this red button right here to record a voice message. I'm gonna click on it right now. Hello, hello, hello. As you guys can see, the voice message is being recorded. It's okay with me, so I'm simply gonna click on this stop button right here. Now once everything's okay, simply click on this send button. Do note that you have the option to delete it as well and also play it back. For now, I'm simply gonna share it right now. And guys, that is it. As you guys can see, the voice message has been sent. That is it guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.